Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up JavaScript on Visual Studio Code. First, you'll need to download and install Visual Studio Code itself from its official website. Next, ensure you have Node.js installed, as it comes bundled with npm, the Node package manager, which is crucial for modern JavaScript development. You can easily verify both Node.js and npm installations by typing their respective version commands into your terminal. This foundational step ensures your environment is perfectly ready for coding. Once Visual Studio Code is installed, enhancing its capabilities with key extensions is your next step. I highly recommend installing the JavaScript and TypeScript nightly extension for the latest language features and improved IntelliSense. For maintaining consistent code style across your projects, consider adding Prettier, a powerful code formatter. Additionally, ESLint is invaluable for identifying and fixing common JavaScript errors, ensuring your code remains clean and robust. These tools significantly boost your development efficiency. With your environment and extensions ready, let's set up a new project. Begin by creating a dedicated folder for your project and opening it within Visual Studio Code. Inside your terminal, initialize a new Node.js project by running npm initY, which creates a package.json file. For enhanced IntelliSense and better project understanding, configure a jsconfig.json file at your project's root. This file helps Visual Studio Code understand your JavaScript project structure. Finally, let's explore how to run and debug your JavaScript code. You can execute your JavaScript files directly using Node.js from the integrated terminal within Visual Studio Code. For debugging, simply set breakpoints in your code by clicking in the gutter next to the line numbers. Then, use the built-in debugger to step through your application, inspect variables, and understand code flow. This powerful feature is essential for troubleshooting and developing robust applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.